In this video, we'll take a small robotic vehicle/device running ROS as our example to demonstrate how to quickly onboard and control IoT devices using IoT Driver Copilot in Shifu Cloud. For a vehicle already connected to Shifu, we can control its motion via REST API. For example, moving forward, reversing, turning left or right. Next, we'll show you the onboarding process using IoT Driver Copilot in Shifu Cloud. With IoT Driver Copilot, you can quickly generate a driver for any device. Simply upload the device manual, SDK, API, or any documentations and specify the required API parameters. IoT Driver Copilot will automatically extract all the details into a complete device specification. After verifying the specification, proceed to API management. Once all steps are complete, IoT Driver Copilot automatically generates the driver code. Developers can test this code against the real hardware, and the driver code will be automatically pushed to your selected GitHub repository. Finally, you can export the code as a template for subsequent deployment in Shifu Cloud. Shifu Cloud provides a unified platform for IoT device onboarding and management. In this section, we will demonstrate how to deploy a device template imported from IoT Driver Copilot to connect to a real device. After logging in, create a new workspace and select the device template. Fill in the required device information, then copy and paste the provided command into your terminal. Click on Robot 1 to open the API control panel. This list shows HTTP endpoints that have been abstracted from the device's capabilities. This decouples hardware and software completely, making IoT application development as easy as web development. Using the deployment command provided by Shifu Cloud, we connect the vehicle to our edge cluster, reproducing the control shown at the start of the video. In this setup, Robot 1 is a small robotic vehicle linked over the network to an industrial PC running 8K3S cluster. Shifu translates user HTTP requests into ROS topics, enabling direct control of the vehicle.